And now, Sea Lions, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Have a good week. Be fair, be honest, and be you.
This is Sea Lion leader Ellie Vu with this week's announcements. Peace Week kicks off with Make Someone Smile Monday. Say hello to everyone you meet all day long. Talk Kind Tuesday is when you can visit the Wellness Center to write a kind note to a friend. Tuesday is Picture Day for grades UTK, kindergarten, 5th grade, and Miss Obert's class. Support McGaw by ordering Domino's Pizza on Tuesday night.
Yum.
Welcome Wednesday is when you get paired up with a new friend at lunch. Picture Day continues on Wednesday with 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade. The 5th grade t-shirt design contest is coming to an end. Get your submissions in on Wednesday. Talk About It Thursday is when you get to visit your buddy class. We're all going to write a kind letter to our new buddies too. Find a Friend Friday is when we get to play with a new friend by inviting them into our group. Kindergarten has their first assembly in the Media Center to learn about social and emotional wellness with Miss Martin. McGaw is celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month with assemblies in the auditorium. UTK through 2 starts at 12:55 and 3 through 5 starts at 1:25. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week.
I got a Robuck.
High five!
Oh yeah.
Kindergarten.
Our first Robuck goes to kindergarten student Nico Woodrick. Miss Olveda says that Nico made me aware of several problems at the lunch table, and he helped keep students safe. Thanks so much, Nico, for being responsible and aware at the lunch tables.
1st grade.
Mrs. Garola wants to shout out Rhett Benjamin. She says, thank you, Rhett, for always lending a helping hand to your teacher. Your responsibility and integrity is so appreciated. We're proud of you, Rhett.
2nd grade.
Congratulations to 2nd grader Grayson Elder. Miss Hughes says that Grayson was a great helper at ELOP. He cleaned up and helped friends. Way to go.
3rd grade.
Congratulations to 3rd grader from Miss Aniceto's class, Riley Henning. She said that Riley was being an amazing helper to a friend. Super supportive. I have to agree, Riley is quite an amazing student.
4th grade.
I'm super excited to shout out 4th grader Melody Gonzalez. Miss Breedlove said that Melody has set an impressive example in room 29 by being consistently focused and hardworking. Way to go, Melody.
5th grade.
Our 5th grade Robuck winner is from Mrs. Wallace's class. Congratulations to Brannon Bagwell. She said that Brannon took on the challenge of really helping others during math. He had to find ways to help his classmates learn from their mistakes without telling them the answers, and he did great. Way to go, Brannon.
That's a wrap. Have a great week. Bye.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.